In this video, I will show you how to open money market account with Fidelity. We're going to be doing this on desktop, but the process is very similar whether you choose to do mobile or the desktop version. You're going to see all the questions it's going to ask you while you sign up. The money market account you want to open is dependent on your needs, whether it's a Roth or a regular IRA, or maybe just a regular investing account. The process will be very similar. We're going to hop over here on the computer so you can follow along in real time and see all the questions it asks while you sign up for a Fidelity account. On the main page, you'll see a spot that says Open an Account. When you click on this, you'll see different options. Rollover if you're transferring from another company, a Roth, a traditional brokerage account, or a cash management account. For this example, we're just going to do a money market account. Click on Open Now, and then it's going to ask first whether this will be an individual or a joint account. If it's joint, you'll see different options for a spouse or partner. For this example, we'll do an individual account, but later on you can add another person if needed. Next, it's going to ask if you're already a Fidelity customer. If not, just click No. From here, it'll ask for your personal details. First and last name, middle name, social security number, required by federal law for opening a money market, date of birth, country of citizenship, phone number, and email address. These will also be used for login and two-factor authentication. It will then ask for your residential address, your street, city, state, and zip code. After that, it will ask about your employment status. After that, verify that all your personal and employment information is correct. You'll also be asked about tax withholdings, specifically whether you've been notified by the IRS that you're subject to backup withholding. For most people, the answer will be no. Once everything looks good, review the agreements and click Open Account. At this point, you'll see a confirmation that your account is open. You'll then be prompted to create a username, password, and security questions. Once that's set up, you're officially into your Money Market Fidelity account. Now that your account is open, and that's it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.